3-1.
3-1.
3-1 Haiti.
Oh.
No, as you can see in the video here, how Herby was hyped driving up over here from a strap from Connecticut, doing his thing in the car by himself. All you see is people passing him. He's doing his thing. He was hyped. On TikTok, we were doing our thing on TikTok, and we went live. We were hyped. We were getting ready for the game on TikTok, and video where Herby and I were eating the food. You can't have a Haitian fest without Haitian food. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna say this. Might be a controversial, but I'm gonna say
Gagne bien belle qui sont performé. Nous avons un paquet et belle bagarre qu'a fait là. Nous avons artistes qui sont bien belles et on groupe. Vous comprenez? C'est des petits messieurs qui bien chanté et nous avons une belle vibe là. Nous pourrons louer ça là parce que
gentlemen, we are back. My name is Jeffrey Estiverne. I am the host, and my boy Herby, the co-host, aka the Explorer, the Haitian Explorer. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Today we're doing something a little different today. It's going to be a little different because normally you see us sitting down, right? We have someone that we're talking with. We tell them, hey, let us know about your life. Let's pimp your life. Tell us, what path you took and things like that. So, même si vous avez un problème si je parle anglais, pas un problème avant, but we're going to do it English and Creole. You know what it is.
Anglais Creole.
Yep, Jean Tombe. But we are going to talk about the World Cup. You know what it is. Haiti te nan bataille pi. Même si Haiti pas fini, we still won the heart of the world. Before we go any further, I want to say thank you to New Bridges for Haitian Success, Bernard Georges, who gave us the opportunity for such a great event. There was such a great turnout that we met so many good people. And Herby got to get on stage, do his thing. I got to get on stage to do my thing. You saw me on the news. You saw your boy on the news. We did our thing. So this event was really good. So I appreciate that. New Bridges for Haitian Success. Everyone you see their social media handle right here, go check them out. And if you want to donate to them for that organization, because they're doing so much for the Haitian community in Rhode Island. If you're Haitian, you're in Rhode Island, you know how much of a difference they're making in the community. Also, I gotta thank the donors. We got a little bit of donation. It wasn't much, but the fact that you took your time, your hard-earned money, because we know how things are looking right now, to donate. Thank you so much. And I'm gonna go through the names. You have Lou from Rhode Island. We have Ben, who is a funny guy on Instagram and TikTok. He's a funny Haitian who's doing his thing on TikTok and Instagram. I forgot which one. Is it TikTok or Instagram? One video, he has over 8 million views on that video. So he's doing his thing. He donated to us. Thank you so much, Ben. Also,
Shout out to Ben.
Yep, Jim Kelly, a.k.a. Haitian Hurricane, who donated to us.
Haitian Hurricane.
Yes, appreciate my dude from New York, all the way from New York. Thank you so much. Also, my boy JC out of New Orleans. See the name, the list of restaurants he's got. This dude got so many restaurants in New Orleans. I've tested them. I've ate on them. I didn't get no gratin, but the restaurants was great. Everyone, if you're down in New Orleans, you're making your trip down to New Orleans, check them out. My boy JC, he's going to hook you up. Tell him the path we take. Jeffrey sent you. Herby sent you. You know what it is. Okay. Also, who else? I'm missing someone. Or someone from North Carolina. Anonymous donate. Appreciate you. And
Anonymous.
Yep. Sponsor. We had Aya Africa. Oh my God. Aya Africa, thank you so much for giving us the hat, the jersey.
We got free hats and free merch and shirts.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice.
Right down here in Providence, Rhode Island at the Providence Place Mall. Check them out. Get some gear. I know whatever African apparel that you want to wear, anything else that you want, go check them out. Tell them the path we take sent you. Also,
podcast.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
The Path We Take podcast sent you. Check out the videos I make for them to see all the things they have in their store. I know it's about 2 minutes video, which has everything in that video. Go check them out, okay? Oh, my God. Thank you. And we're going to move on to the next. And I got to meet Siobhan. Bamikum. I know, Herby, you did not get to meet him.
I did not get to meet Siobhan.
Yes.
Man. Siobhan is big time now.
Big time.
I mean, he was always big time, but he's big time now.
Listen. I have to say.
I didn't get to, man. Next time for sure.
Next time. I have to say this, though. His manager, Darlene Raphael, she is on point. And I don't know. She's doing her thing. She got him unlocked to get him to point A to point B. She's doing her thing as a manager. Darlene Raphael out of Germany. Danke. You know what it is, girl? That means thank you in German, Dutch. Thank you so much for allowing me to, meet him. Although it was 5 minutes, it was more than enough because I know your schedule was crazy, Siobhan. Thank you so much. We got to meet, took some pictures, and I met Mr. Sincerely Suave, a.k.a. Set It Off. You heard the song right now everywhere on Spotify. I got to meet him too. Another dude, cool dude. I had to get him out the vehicle to take a picture with me and show him the belt with Siobhan. Oh my God, it was such a great moment for this event. That's what I'm saying.
I missed all of this.
Yes.
I missed all of this. That's all right. That's
all
right.
It's okay though. It's okay because we only getting higher, getting better in everything that we're doing.
Yeah.
Next time, we might get to see, I don't know. Are you going to Haiti though in November?
That's the plan. If the fight is happening, Siobhan is having the fight in Haiti in November 18th.
Yep.
Au Cap.
Mabla.
Kickboxing. If it's happening, I'm there. Depuis la fête, moi là, ouais pas ouais. You
have to be there. You have to be there. Everyone, go check him out. November 18th. He is definitely looking for sponsors because going to Haiti for him to go fight in Haiti. Come on, he's doing for us Haitian people. We got to support one another, and he's been doing his thing. And I'm so glad for him to be in that level that he is right now. And go check him out, November 18th. Hopefully, I could see you out there because I'm going to be there. Please, mets ton petit gratin pour moi. Ça seulement. Gratin pour moi. Ça seulement m'a demandé, OK?
Ouais. 18 novembre, mes amis.
18 novembre.
18 novembre, dans le Cap. OK? Bah, il y a une planification toujours. Et je souhaite que tout le bagage soit bien fait, que tout le bagage continue fait. Mon qui en bas, déjà en bas, mon qui faut en bas, préparez-nous pour nous descendre en bas.
Pour nous descendre en bas. Planifier, bien planifier pour nous en bas. All right, so let's go on to the planning of this event. When Bernard called me, told me about the event, and we trying to plan this. Anyone who planned an event like that, I do not envy you because a lot of work was put into putting this event together. Okay, we had first. I want to give a shout out to my girl Katia because she was supposed to perform and she had to get an emergency surgery done. Because I know you guys saw the flyer that we put with Katia and she didn't end up going. But Katia, thank you so much for saying yes because we had sat down and went through so many different things and what we were going to do for this event. I want to say thank you for Byen, which we're going to talk about later about Byen. Their performance. Oh, it was such a great song, by the way. The planning, right? Obviously, the Rara was such a great performance with the Rara. Oh man, what you think about the Rara? Because I know you. We got you.
Was good. Rara était bon. Comment Rara est Kandjanwou.
Kandjanwou.
Kandjanwou. Monsieur t'aime bien dit moi. Monsieur c'est mal dit. Pardonnez-moi.
Bon, mais non. Nous mettons non.
Exactement. Rara était bon. Nèg yo animé l'autre bois, man. Tout le monde était content. Blanc yo a dansé. Yo par contre ça a dansé, mais il a dansé.
But before you go any further, because I know we got a lot to talk about the Rara. Let's go talk about the setting, because I know, as you can see in the video here, how Herby was hyped driving up over here from from Connecticut, doing his thing in the car by himself. All you see is people passing him. He's doing his thing. He was hyped. Me, I was there from 9:45 in the morning. I think it's something about me that I was in the military. I have to get everywhere goddamn early, and it didn't, because we didn't start setting up until 11, to be honest. And I was there crack of dawn early, and I was waiting, and I brought too many damn things. We didn't even get to use half of it because we were doing our thing, going on stage, doing introducing artists and stuff like that. It was such a great, but we got to walked in and with Bernard, and you could see how we were on TikTok. We were doing our thing on TikTok, and we went live. We were hyped, getting ready for the game on TikTok. And while we were walking, let's talk about fanatique ou te wea. Si tu sorti match à succès là.
Yeah, man.
Yo,
So I'm
before I go, hold on. Herby has his channel, Haitian Explorer. When he go and visit people, you know what? Let the lady speak for herself.
Yeah,
and talk
so,
about her.
Absolutely, man. I'm I do my little traveling. I do travel content on YouTube. Explore the Haitian Explorer, and I go all around showing what places are like, different countries and stuff like that. And I got a fan, man. So when I got to Rhode Island, and the lady was looking at me, she was like, "Yo, I know you." Yeah, man. So that was cool. That was very cool, So I feel like Jay-Z,
It's Herb, you heard?
But no, it was cool. It was very cool. It was very cool, to actually meet someone who's seen me on YouTube. That's very cool.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was good vibe. It was good vibe.
She came from all the way from Massachusetts to come here. I'm not sure she was on the border of Massachusetts and Rhode Island, but given that majority of the Haitians are in Massachusetts, and she came down here.
Right.
No, that's huge.
Right.
That's good. She saw you. She saw the flyer. She saw the flyer.
She saw the flyers. Exactly.
Yeah.
So it kind of worked out pretty good, man. And like you said, man, it was a long day. You got there about what, 9 in the morning?
9:45. I got there.
9:45, and the game is not until 8:30. I think it was.
Yep.
Was it 8:30?
No, 9 o'clock. Was it 8:30 or 9 o'clock?
Oh.
I think it was 9. The first game was 9 o'clock.
Okay, so yeah, game 1, 9 o'clock. So a long time.
Yep.
Long time. Good vibe. I don't know if you want to talk about like the band. We always talk about the band.
Also, you went on stage with DJ. What's her name? Oh my goddess, Marlene.
Marilyn.
Yeah, goddess Marlene.
Yeah,
she's doing her thing. Yes, she was such a vibe.
Man.
She was such a vibe on stage.
So I'm walking, right? I got my camera. I'm getting some footage. Yeah. And I'm like, oh man, the DJ is killing it up there. Like, I need to get up, on the stage. So I'm like, hey, can I come up? I'm like, come on, can I come up? She said, yeah, come up. And that's how it happened. And obviously she did her thing. She killed it. We loved it. So thank you, to her for doing that.
And she was jamming the Haitian music, Afro beats. She was doing her thing and dancing on stage. And right after that, we went and introduced Byen, which is, oh my God, that such a great song. They performed one song which was really good. You're such a juste New York. 4 temps, you continue. 4 temps. They drove 4 hours to come and perform. It was it was good. Go check them out. Here goes the Byen. You can see right here them performing the video and their social media. Go check them out. And you interviewed a couple of them. Each of the artists, actually, you introduced each of them separately, and you talked to them about their what they're doing and who they are and things like that. Go check them out on the Haitian Explorers YouTube channel. Definitely, you can see that interview. Yeah.
Byen, Alain, Teddy, ensemble avec Sly, on commence à me dire là, nèg yo bien posé, nèg yo bien bagage, chanté à belle, nèg yo bien performé. Nous c'est moi qui capable filmer nèg yo, so it was a good vibe. And I know as soon as they're done, they had to go. I think they went to the game.
Yeah, they went to the game. But before they went to the game, I got to give them the citation from the governor of Rhode Island. I introduced him, and I give them the citation, which was really good. I think that's when I made the news. You can see me right here. I made the news clip. Boy, you want an autograph? You want an autograph? Hit me up. I got to introduce them, give them the citation, then they went on their way. Then the Rara did their thing on stage as well, because the Rara went and did their thing. And oh my God, that's another one. I got introduced to Rara for that very first performance, because they performed twice right before the game. But this one, I got to introduce them. They were doing their thing on. They didn't act like, yo. They was like, yeah, you guys only had, like, they kept going, hey, you have 2 minutes. The guy was over there giving me 2 minutes. I had to go in and stop them. I did not want to stop it, but and they were doing such a great thing.
The good thing is they did such a great job. I think they went on again. Like 3 times they went on.
Yep.
But they were only scheduled for 1 or 2. They were only scheduled for twice.
They were scheduled
right?
for two times, yeah.
But I think they played 3 times.
Yep, but the third time they played, actually they played more because after their first performance, as we were walking back to the tent, they were there. Yeah. They were performing as we were walking back.
Yeah. And we have the footage for that.
Yeah,
man.
that's right. Yeah, of course. They're gonna see the footage as we, as you can see here, they were performing as we were walking, and they're performing again by the tent as we were waiting for the next game or whatever, or for them to go on stage. And they did their thing, and we ate. You saw the video where Herby and I were eating the food. You can't have a Haitian fest without Haitian food. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna say this. Might be a controversial, but I'm gonna say it. Ladies and gentlemen, we didn't have Haitian food for sale there. It's not because of our fault. It wasn't our fault. We reach out to so many restaurants, to so many individuals. Please have your shit in order. The license, the permit. They give us a criteria that you have to meet in order for you to come and sell food. Sou pa gen papier pou vin vendre manger mes amis, puis pas jouer nous s'il vous plaît. Pas jouer nous parce que yo dit comme ça, sou pa gen n'importe pas gen des papiers sou pa gen, yo pas quitter nous venir à moun pour vendre manger. Comprendre? Parce que yo te parce que FIFA qui fait loi ça. C'est pas nous même non? Pas That's all I'm going to say. So let's move on to the next one. But I wish we had Haitian food there because on the fly, we did put it that, we're going to have Haitian food. We're trying to, we represent the culture and everything because there's nothing better than Haitian food. That's not my opinion. That's fact anyway.
That's fact.
Yep.
That is fact.
So we had such a great time. And while we were sitting down, and you could see that us right here, we were doing an episode. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a while since we record together.
Yeah.
Woo! We are at Haitian Takeover.
Yes.
World Cup.
Yes.
Haiti Takeover.
Yes.
Providence, Rhode Island. We in the building.
Nous tournons. Mes amis.
Woo!
Tendez. Je dis à la, c'est un gros jour. Yon gros jour. Nous gagnons actuellement là, nous, Rhode Island Providence, ok? Et nous, Rhode Island Providence, nous prêts pour un gros combat, je dis. Je pense que nous tous connaissons combat de qui ça m'a parlé. Nous connaissons que nous gagnons Haïti qui est un gros combat, je dis. Haïti ensemble avec Écosse, qui a joué à soir à 9h du soir. Moi-même avec Jeffrey, nous là, dans The Path We Take podcast, nous ne pas qu'à venir, nous pas capable de bagaille. Jean Yoye a notre petit bout mamite. So, nous là, nous prêts pour match. Depuis matin, nous là, Jeffrey a porté caméra ici, la porté micro l'autre bord, la porté toute bagaille vidéo pour préparer pour match, pour nous kabaoul. Mes amis Jeffrey, en pile merci. Comment bagaille yo, Jeff?
Wouh, il fait chaud aujourd'hui à nos chalons. Yo, je viens là depuis 9h45 du matin.
9h45 du matin.
Yeah, je viens set up là.
OK.
Chalet, chalet toi tu aimes.
Chalet, mais chalet a bon parce que chalet a bon pour nous pour match.
Mais je suis content parce que aujourd'hui a son un jour extraordinaire. Parce que vous faites dire là Haïti nan World Cup. Mes amis, c'est pas des moun nous gagne ouais caméra montre au gagne moun qui là. Nous fait que ce gardon on artiste là qui se performer. Oh.
Nous gagnons bien belle qui sont performés. Nous gagnons paquet et belle bagarre qu'a fait là. Nous gagnons artistes qui sont bien belles. Et on groupe. Vous comprenez? C'est des petits messieurs qui bien chanté. Et nous avons une belle vibe là. Nous prenons louer ça là parce que nous avons une image. Pendant que je parle, je montrer nous. Ça, c'est bien belle qui a frappé là. Et puis tout, après ça, nous avons gagné un bon Rara qui vient ba nous une belle vibe. Parce que nous connaissons nous-mêmes comment nous gérer Rara. Nous connaissons Rara nous bien. Mais nous portons Rara, ba moun Rhode Island yo, si yo pas de connaître Rara déjà, mais je dis à nous ba yo Rara.
Nous ba yo Rara. Nous ba yo Rara.
Vous comprenez?
Oh.
Ça veut dire que bon pour on juste ba moun un petit goûter nan Rara. OK, regardez mes amis, ça c'est Rara qui saute maté pour nous là. Kandjanwou, mes amis, qui met des belles vibes là.
Bon,
Rhode
Rara
Island,
fini.
Providence,
La famille,
qui
ça
vient
passe derrière.
motiver le peuple là, qui vient motiver tout le monde.
Ça
pour
passe
préparer
derrière.
le
Bon bagage, ça. Belle
préparer
vibe.
un gros bataille.
Belle vibe.
So, nous sommes les
Pas
youth
plaisir,
chef
pas.
yo et qui pour
Belle
venir là,
vibe.
venir parler ensemble avec nous. Qui c'est m'a quitté hein?
King Bobo.
King Bobo. Bon,
King Bobo.
nous gagnons King Bobo ensemble avec nous qui sorti dans Kandjanwou Rara. C'est King Bobo comment y est?
Après, bon Dieu, nous pas bien.
Après bon Dieu,
Nous papi.
nous papi yaï. King Bobo, vous sortez bah nous une belle performance là. Parlez-nous des performances ça.
Bon, performance là, ça sont si calés. Nous avons jeune plus parce que les jeunes. Vous voyez, tout le temps, les plus jeunes, nous avons jeune plus bon bagay. Parce que ça, c'est si calme nous dans Kandjanwou, mais nous avons plus toujours parce que nous ne pouvons jamais jouer playlist là.
OK. OK. Qu'on y a là 10 moun yo parce que nous connaissons Rara, nous connaissons tout Rara qui bo yo sorti. Dis-nous c'est qui bo et Kandjanwou sorti.
Bon, Kandjanwou a 3 ans là. Actuellement, l'année, ça fait Kandjanwou 3 ans. Il faut mener Rosendale, 41 Washington Street, Rosendale. Nous avons 3 ans ensemble. Raison fait nous le Kandjanwou nous besoin différent parce que Kandjanwou veut dire tête ensemble.
Ah.
United. Welcome back. Let's go back to Africa.
Ah.
Vous voyez, c'est ça Kandjanwou veut dire.
Kandjanwou veut dire ensemble, en tourner en Afrique, nous tous c'est même.
Tout c'est même.
C'est même bagay là.
Même peuple là.
Ah, même peuple là.
Peuple.
King Bobo, m'ba caché d'eau, m'te sous stage en train m't'a filmé
Oui,
pour
m'de
nous.
ouais ça, m'de ouais
M'a
ça.
prend belle vibe, qui me content en pile, nous bien frappé, Kembe là. M'ba connaît Jeffrey, so pense de Rara.
Oh, bel bagay. Même si mesdames yo, ti blanc yo. Yo,
Oui.
ouais, nous t'a frappé là. Moi, une comme ça.
Oui.
Comme ça.
Moi brésilien terrain mais vibe là en pile.
Non, vous connaissez Brésilien, ça c'est style pas yo.
Oui.
Pas yo.
Yeah.
Parce que eux même, ils parlent créole là différent que je nous parle créole là. Parce que des boutons de Brésiliens, Haïtiens rencontrés, c'est comme si one together forever.
Oh, ça veut dire plaisir, mes amis.
One gather
Oui.
together forever. King Bobo.
Oui.
Moi remets ça fait pas,
Merci
moi
en
remets
pile.
ça en pile vibe. Me souhaite là toujours, beaucoup pour aller.
Non, grâce maman.
Grâce maman nous là
Nous
toujours.
là toujours.
Wap ba nou petit bagarre encore.
En grand
En
monde.
grand gens. King Bobo, merci en pile.
Après, pas de problème. Watch maman, oui chérie, mêlez yo.
Regardez, on va aller, dis moun yo côté pour yo aller pour yo prendre bon vibe ça dans internet là.
Bon, à ce là, nous avons joué dans Anne Palace dans Brockton.
Mhm.
Si nous besoin de prendre bon plaisir, nous avons dans 41-21 Washington Street, Rosendale. On va.
Ça dans Providence là, Rhode Island.
Non, nous étions Boston nous-mêmes. Nous
Boston, OK, faut dire
Si vous
Boston.
besoin de Rhode Island,
Uh-huh.
vous pouvez dans 857 269 85 02. En grand monde, si vous avez besoin de beaucoup de mariage, on reprend, divorce, voilà, non?
Divorce extra.
Oui.
Bon, au fin parler King Bobo, merci en pile. Wap tourne vinn ba nou vibe là, nap ton nou.
En grand monde.
En grand monde. All right.
Ou tendel, première fois là, mes amis. Woo!
Nou tande li et Kandjanwou, King Bobo, kap ba nou vibe là côté nou chita là. Mes amis, m'pa caché dou Jeffrey moi même prêt. M'pa konn sou prêt pour match
Prêt.
Jeffrey moi même.
M'prêt là.
M'pa konn côté yo aller non? Nous prêt pour match, OK? Nous prêt pour match, mes amis. Temps en temps moi ma Jeffrey a ba nou vibe là pour nous montrer nous comment bagay là est. Vous comprenez? Red branché, pas oublier pendant vous regarder ça là, like vidéo, quittez un commentaire, dis nous so pensez de Kandjanwou et partagez vidéo mes amis pour nous capables de vibe ça là parce que faut que nous motiver l'équipe là. Grenadier à l'assaut.
That Scotland guy who went from Scotland, who we interviewed, who was talking
Yeah,
about
yeah.
the game, because we interviewed a couple,
Yeah.
because we had to see what the other side feels, and he came, and obviously, you know, we know where you're from. What's your name?
Daniel.
Okay.
I'm from Dundee.
Okay.
Aye.
Okay. Did you come here just for the game or do you live here?
No, I just came for the game.
You just came for the game.
Yeah,
All
yeah.
right.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
How do you feel? Do you feel good about the game?
Yeah, we'll win.
Yeah, you'll
Yeah.
win?
Yeah, we'll win. I've got a bet
Well-
on us winning, so we better.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your prediction? Like, what do you think?
3-1.
3-1.
3-1.
3-1.
3-1 Haiti.
Oh. I'm giving you a goal. Camden.
All right. All right. He said he's going to win 3-1. I say the same thing, but I said Haiti.
Haiti.
Hey.
You've got a chance.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
But I must say, you guys come in packs.
It was a good amount.
Were you on that bus that went by earlier?
Oh, did you see it? Yeah.
Oh, how many buses? Was like 15 of them?
I think there was 15 to 20 going to the game, yeah.
15 to
And
20
folk got the
buses.
training that as well. There's about 30, 40,000 Scottish
Yeah.
Okay.
in the States, yeah.
Wow.
Good amount, yeah.
Yeah.
So a lot of you guys flew over here from Scotland
Yeah, yeah.
For the game.
for the
not,
game.
not a short flight either. It's about 9 hours, I think.
9 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, he said
9
it's
hours.
not a short flight.
Yeah,
Non-stop.
no
Non-stop 9 hours.
Yeah, that was, from London. Hour to London, and then 9 hours to
So,
Wow.
Boston, yeah.
okay.
A question for you.
Go on.
When you heard Haiti, what did you know about Haiti?
Hold on. Did you know Haiti before this?
Nah, I had to look you up.
You did not know Haiti before
No.
this.
Okay.
You've never heard of Haiti
I
before.
told her are you African?
If-
Or,
What is if it's in Africa?
yeah, is it in Africa?
No, it's in the Caribbean.
The
Oh,
Caribbean.
is Caribbean not Africa?
No.
No.
Africa is the
Oh,
Caribbean is like Jamaica,
oh, right,
Bahamas.
yeah.
Bahamas.
Oh, fair enough, man. Fair
Yeah,
enough.
yeah,
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah,
It's okay.
yeah, I'm
Yeah, yeah.
I'm not smart.
You might ask me something about in Scotland. I probably won't know.
Yeah, exactly.
You guys are big football fans.
Yeah, we love football in Scotland. Are you-
In rugby.
Yeah, but not me. But a lot of folk do like rugby.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's good, man. Well, I can't wait. I can't wait to watch the game.
Yes.
You're a nice guy, but I'm
Exactly.
sorry. We'll win.
But we win.
That's okay, man.
After the game, we'll talk again.
Yeah, we can be friends after.
If
the
I
All
lose, if I lose, you won't see me. I'll go. Yo, you
Thank
good?
you.
Make sure to watch out for the national anthem, though.
The national anthem.
You'll love it. You'll
Okay.
Love it.
Okay.
Telling you that.
Absolutely.
Okay. Thank you so much. All
thank
right.
you so much, all right?
Thank you.
Thank
Good
you.
luck.
All right.
Good luck
Thank
to
you.
you too.
Cheers, cheers.
All right.
That was
It's
good.
all
That was
love,
good.
man. It's all love.
It was good. It was good. And we were waiting for the game that was playing before the Haiti game, Brazil and Morocco game, which ended in 1-1. Very surprising, right? Because Morocco gave Brazil a run for their money. So many Brazilian was there.
Yep.
But before we go, here's the performance that the Rara was doing before the game. The Rara came and performed before the game. Herby is filming it, and you got to give them the citation from the governor of Rhode Island.
I sure did, man. So I was on stage filming them and stuff like that. And of course, after when they were done and they were looking for you actually. They were looking for you. They'd be like, "Where's Jeffrey? Where's Jeffrey?"
No, because
And
I was
you
going
gotta
back
read-
and forth.
Yeah.
And we had to break down, right? As soon as I was about to go up there to introduce them, and I heard they're already on stage, I was like, all right, I'm gonna go back, see if I can break down everything. Then I could go over there. Boom, it was done. And
Yeah.
I heard your voice. I was like, there they go.
So they're looking for you. They're
I was like,
looking
there
for you.
goes
I'm
my
like, well,
boy.
and they're like, well, Jeffrey's not here, so we got the other one right
Yep.
here.
I'm glad
So
you
I
did.
Went on, yeah. So I went on, I did it, and
Yeah.
they're happy. Everybody's happy. I
Exactly.
got to see what it feels like to be on the stage. I might just become a rapper after this because I feel comfortable with the mic.
So what happened with movies? I thought you wanted to do movies.
Man, I'm gonna do every single thing I want to do. I don't want to put a limit to it. I'll do whatever it is. I'll do it. I'm not saying I'll be good at it,
That's right.
but I'm saying I can do it.
Good. It was such a vibe, seeing all these people there, and so many Haitian people were there too. And as you can see, the Haitian anthem was playing. Herby got that on video before the game. A lot of people were getting mad too. But there was a Haitian guy who said,
Yeah.
You could tell that was a Haitian. You could hear from the distance while you were recording. You hear,
Yeah.
They were getting mad.
Absolutely, man.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So it was good vibe.
Yeah, it
Good
was-
vibe, man. Day one was great.
Really good. Which, let's go to day two. Because day two, that's another one that was like, we know that was going to be a hard
And of
game
course,
for
day
us.
one, everybody was the first game. We
Yep.
played Scotland and we lost 1-0. Okay?
1-0.
They stole it from us. by the
Sure
way.
did.
They stole it
They
from us.
sure did.
The ref
Yo,
stole it from us.
Nah,
But
the
that's
ref.
another
The
conversation.
ref was in somebody's pocket, and yes, I'm gonna say it.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
were in somebody's pocket, my
They
dude.
stole that one from
Yep.
us. It's clear as day.
Yep, you could tell. But day two came.
that's all
we
right.
got there a little late on day two. You got there late too, so you got there real late. because we did not.
I got
well,
there real late.
I didn't say we didn't know. The setup, they didn't put us where we were before, and we didn't have electricity, so we couldn't really do the show that we want. As you can see, we try to do the show here, and we had some guests who let us know how they feel about the game, about the matches. He was very nervous. The first guest we had, he was very nervous. The one, like, you see me with a Ganaje Alaso poster. Yeah, he was very nervous.
He was nervous.
Yeah.
But we kind of caught him off guard.
We sure
there
did.
for a minute,
He was,
but
you seems interesting. I'm gonna call you. Come over. Get over here. At first, I took the sign. Then we told him to come over. He didn't expect to come on camera.
Absolutely, man.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Not everybody is comfortable on camera. And it's
Not everyone's comfortable. We lost the match, but we knew Brazil was going to do their thing. Growing up, I was a Brazil fan. Growing up, and I grew up in Pele, watching Pele, and we lost the game but we knew it was going to be a hard fight with Brazil. But we made it. We made it, and
we made it to the World Cup, man.
Yes.
Playing against Brazil.
Yeah.
Doesn't get this is as big as it gets.
The voisin don't like that, but it is what it is. The voisin don't like that.
This is as big as it gets, man.
Exactly.
I don't know what to say, man. Like, winning would be like the icing on the cake, you know? But it's just to get there alone. It's not easy to do.
No.
Not easy to do. A lot of teams didn't get to make it.
Yeah. And do you know how
I was shocked. I was shocked to hear that Italy don't even make it.
Yeah.
And Italy's like a big, like they have a big, they're like very good at
very
soccer.
good.
Like,
Italy didn't make it.
They're champions. They've won many times before.
Yeah.
And they didn't even make it. So that tells you how tough it is.
Yeah. And we made it, and we did our thing. And I was seeing a lot of Cape Verdean out there, doing their thing. And my algorithm is broken now because all I see is Cape Verde. Cape Verde.
Yeah.
There's a page that says I am Cape Verde, and who every time I like something, I comment, they like it too, appreciate it. I am Cape Verde. It has close to 100,000 followers on Instagram. So if you want to give me a repost, I'm gonna tag you on this. Please do so. But Cape Verde, I think Cape Verde, they like, Cabo Verde. I don't want to mispronounce it. Cabo Verde. Yep, there you go. So they're our cousins, They're our cousins. So Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and Connecticut. A huge community down here where I am.
I'll tell you a fun fact that I learned from TikTok. You're learning everything on TikTok. TikTok is crazy. So apparently there's only 5 Caribbean countries who've ever made it to the World Cup.
Haiti made it twice.
Haiti made it twice.
Yep.
Right?
Jamaica
so we
won.
made it twice. Jamaica, Cuba,
and what's in the Curo?
Curaçao.
Yep.
Curaçao.
Yep.
Curaçao.
Yep.
Comment tu vas en anglais?
Palma dem.
Curaçao.
You sound like you speaking Chinese.
Chinese. So Curaçao and Poco, tell them the Cuba, Curaçao, Haiti, Jamaica.
Yep.
I'm missing something.
Haiti twice.
What am I missing?
Cuba? That's the fifth, the fifth time. The fifth time. Haiti made it twice.
Haiti twice.
Haiti twice. That's the fifth.
No. I'm missing one. Cuba, Jamaica, Haiti, Curaçao, Haiti. Yeah. Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Cuba, Jamaica, Haiti. Right?
Curaçao.
Cuba. I said Cuba?
You said Cuba twice. Haiti's twice. Put in the comment, please.
No, hold on. I got to get this right. Cuba, Haiti, Jamaica. Trinidad.
Trinidad.
I
Okay.
forgot Trinidad.
There you go.
Trinidad. I got it. All right, there you go.
There you go. That's good. All right,
fun fact for you.
Yeah. So it was good, and obviously, we just played the third game where with Morocco, and that goal, that second one, not the first one, the second one from way out there. That is the best World Cup goal right now. He's in the run to have that best goal.
Absolutely.
Right now, as of today's date. Oh my God. Today's date, June 26th. That's the best goal so far in the World Cup.
Man, I saw this one coming.
But in
I called it
the very first time Haiti made it to the World Cup, that was the same goal. From out there, the last time Haiti scored in the World Cup, it was scored like
okay,
that.
was it? Okay.
Yeah, like that.
Okay.
We're
I
from
don't
way out
remember
there.
it being like that, but okay.
Yeah.
So from what I remember, I know person who had 2 goals, right?
Yeah.
From the last one.
Yeah.
Ngone Manosano, I think Manosano fait tous les 2 goals.
Yeah, I
Okay?
think
Now,
was he number 9?
Well,
Number 9 in Haiti, right? Yeah, he did like that from way out there. It was from way out there. Like, pow! It was that goal.
Okay.
One goal like
well, we'll
that.
verify that.
Yeah.
I hope you're right because they will.
I know I'm right. I saw that earlier from out there.
Because I know the most famous goal que Manosano did c'est côté le prend boule là, li couri, li casse gardien, and puis li put it with the left.
I think that was
that I remember.
Yeah, that was one of them.
Yeah.
But the other one was just from out there.
Nonetheless, we're killing it.
Yeah,
we're killing it. Haiti is killing it.
Yes. You know, and like I said, I'm going to keep going for Cape Verde because I want to see, I'm all about the small islands. You know, I'm all about it. You see me put my Haitian flag / Cape Verdean flag together. I put together, you can see here. I'm all about it.
Pas connaît, you know, Cape Verde, they do.
Oh, I knew them. You know,
so that's good. And c'est ça mondial là. C'est ça bagay ça.
Exactly.
Une réalité des pays that nobody has ever heard of.
And
now all of a sudden everybody's talking about them.
Yo,
and you need to have the light on you. So
I guarantee you,
really
I saw from the past, when was it? 5 years, it's 1.5 million visitors to Cape Verde, right? I guarantee you by 2030, it's about to double or triple the visitors to Cape Verde. Because I know a bunch of dudes right now looking at me like, yo, I'm going to get my flight to Cape Verde. The airline who flies to Cape Verde, they probably see the numbers are spiking right now. People are booking flights. But men.
Well, that's a good thing, man. Tourism is what it is.
It's good for the economy. It's really good.
Absolutely.
You know?
You want people to come visit.
Yeah.
Which is one of those things I'm always trying to get.
And this is what we hoping for Haiti too. You know, I love what they're doing in OCOP right now. And which I have to give a shout out to my Shea community. It's a nonprofit organization that's doing such a great job with Blondine and the whole crew that's doing their thing and that's cleaning OCOP right now. They're doing such a great job to clean up they did the beach, the strip. They're planting a lot of trees. They're doing such a great job. If you don't know Mache, here's their handles. Please donate to them because they're doing such a great job in Haiti right now. I want that to continue happen because when I go to Haiti in November, because that's where I'm going, I'm going to benefit from it. I'm myself a member of Mache and I'm in Mache community. I have the Mache Connect app that I log in to seeing all the posts that Blondine is doing. And you know, the new ambassador for Mache is Hate Outlaw.
It's out. Yeah, I saw that. I saw she posted that earlier.
She's doing her thing. She's in the back of the motor doing her thing.
Yeah.
Yes,
Kate she's in Haiti right now.
Yeah, she's in Haiti right now. And
nice,
Haiti.
Nice.
So I'm so happy for her. I'm so happy for Mache, Blondine. Y'all doing your thing. As you can see, guys, too, that I give them a shout out during the World Cup event that you can see their name on the big screen because of such a beautiful thing they're doing out there in OCOP. So I had to put them out there on the big screen. Shout out to them.
They're doing great things.
Oh, yeah.
You know, that I like so much is they're planting palm trees.
Yep.
You know?
Yep.
Palm trees everywhere, and I'm like, damn, that's cool.
That is so cool.
That is really cool because palm trees it's one of those things. You go to the Caribbean, you want to see some palm trees.
Yeah. You want to see some palm. Yep.
So that's big. Big up to Mache and Blondine for that.
Yep.
Keep it up.
Yep. Also, we on the 19th of next month, which is July 19th. Y'all know what it is. The anniversary party for The Path We Take. We want to see everyone there. It's going to be at Hand Decor and Catering, my homegirl Schneidine, brand new restaurant. She's sponsoring it. Fun fact, Herby was my very first guest on this podcast.
Yes, sir.
Then he became my co-host. And the second person was Schneidine, who was my guest. And look at how the universe work. Look at how
Yes,
it's
sir.
working. And I didn't even
She's now she's a sponsor.
yeah, and I didn't even ask. She was like, "Oh, please."
Yeah.
I must like because
Right on.
I made a nice video for her when I went to the opening, and as you can see, because I want to support my people. I want to see my people win. And I didn't even like you see the videos I make for other Haitian restaurants. Peakley's, who won the award, and I'm not saying the video I made was part of it, but you know it helped a little bit. I'm not gonna take credit for that.
All right.
So you know the other restaurants I've done videos for. Everywhere I go, I have to get, and they know me as Monsieur Gratin. You know I love it. You heard I said
Gratin.
I know I said that to Saint Heller, the actress we had on here, who doing such a great job with her movie Makeup and Medicine. So you know we came across a lot of great individuals since we started this podcast, and the 19 is the anniversary, and 25 episodes. 25 plus episodes, plus 600 plus downloads, 35 countries that we have listeners, countries where I can't even pronounce or even speak the language, but people are listening, which is such a great thing. That's what we love to see. So continue with us, please. Under 19, we want to see you there. See the flyer, see the address, please. RSVP. If you RSVP, you might win 3 mystery gift. Okay? 3 mystery gift. And those mystery gift, you've seen them before. Some of the things we used in the show, some of the things we haven't used on the show. RSVP. RSVP, you will win something. So,
right on.
Redrawing we're going to do that night. 3 gifts. RSVP. We want to see everyone there. And check us out. But you know, I know we running out of time. I wish we could stay longer. But this was a quick show. Like I said, it was different than how we usually do our shows. And we wanted to make this one to where we talk about the event that we did, to talk to you guys so you can hear it from us, to, you know, what's coming, what we're doing. And on the 19th, I have a big announcement, part of our rebranding for my network collaboration films. We got some things coming up. Stay tuned for that, because, you know, my film company, Network Collaboration Film LLC, we got some great things coming. We got some projects coming with some people that you know in the industry. Stay tuned for that. So, Ebby, I don't know what else you got going on. Let's go.
I mean, you
talk about your channel, my dog.
You said it all. You said it all. Again, my channel is Haitian Explorer. You know, I'm world famous now. But no, check out Haitian Explorer, guys. If you're into traveling, okay, only if you're into traveling. You're into seeing different countries, and you know, Jamaica, like wherever it is, okay, like you can probably find it on my channel. So go ahead, give it a like. Give it subscribe. You know how it is. We support each other.
Yeah.
And that's all it is, man. If you're watching this, by the way, if you made it this far, you gotta subscribe.
Exactly. You gotta subscribe and, you know, share it with someone. You know, tell them about the path we take. And plus, we are taking some donations and sponsors for the event.
Yeah.
Let us know if you want to be a sponsor. And you want to see your name out there. You saw what we did at the World Cup event. So we can only get bigger than this. We can only get bigger and bigger platform. We want to make it to show, you know, and we want you to be a part of it. Let us know if you want to rock with us or marcher avec nous. Nous besoin l'autre monde qui veut marcher avec nous. Come on. So let us know. So
yeah. And again, we have a lot of things coming up. Nous avons pile bon bagay k'ap vini, nous avons pile bon athlètes, nous avons pile bon monde qui a fait bel travail dans la communauté à k'ap vini, capable de faire des choix pour nous capable aider, put the word out so people know what they're doing. Because we want to support positivity in the Haitian community, and this is what we do. So thank you for watching, man. Again, give us a like, give us a subscribe, and That's it. Take us out.
Let's go, everyone. Thank you so much for watching the Path We Take podcast.com. That's where you will find all your latest information about the podcast. And check out my man Herby. Check out all his Explorer. Check out my wherever I tag him, so you could go straight to his page on YouTube, see everything that he's doing, to see everyone he's visiting, all the countries, and myself, everything that I'm doing with the company, Network Collaboration Films, because it's not right now, it's not just a movement. We are doing things to make changes in our community, because no one can do it better than us, because we are who we are. As a Haitian people, we have to make it happen for us. Collaboration Film, hint, my film company, Network Collaboration Films. We got some networking coming up for in the Haitian community. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. Like Herby says, if you stay this long, this far, give us a like, give us a follow. Thank you so much, everyone. We are out.
We're out of here.
Out of
Thank you,
here.
guys.